They're not big, but they're going to hurt your eyes because they're in
It's the closest thing I'm getting to a boyfriend this Valentine's.
Oh, not after we release this.
Not after this
That's
video.
it. We're going to launch an appeal.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Valentine's Day to those of you celebrating. Happy Galentine's Day to those of you not celebrating, or maybe Happy Valentine's Day. Today we've got a pink backdrop, we've got some balloons, big red fur coat. We're doing a romantic high-key Valentine's Day shoot. I'm going to send you over to Michael, who's going to explain the light setup that we have going on today. Yeah, hope you enjoy the video.
So I'm feeling old because I have no idea what Galentine's Day is. But regardless of that, we are going for a nice red on pink backdrop, high key lighting, one beauty dish, and a little bit of a softener with a softbox on the side just to soften the shadow because I don't want it too harsh. But apart from that, really simple. Micaela is going to be quite close to the backdrop, so we're not going to have the separation. We don't need the separation. It's going to be quite a kind of crisp, punchy, contrasty look to the whole thing. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Right, so we're shooting f8 today, 160th 100 ISO. We're not doing anything funky with the depth of field, it's just got to be nice and crisp and sharp. So I'm looking for kind of quite an edgy, not so much a soft look, but an edgy kind of fashiony Valentine's look. So we've got more fashion than it is romantic.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go for it. Good. Excellent. Nice. And what I'm trying to do is show off Micaela's cheekbones. That's it, good, I like that. The attitude, a little bit punky, which is great. Nice. Good. Cool. I prefer which your favourite side is.
Ooh, I think it's this one.
Is it? You tell me. Have you forgotten?
Yeah. I've forgotten, but no, because it's easy when I look at it, but now just off the head of the top of my head, let me see. It might be that side.
You sure?
No.
The other side.
This side. Okay, yeah, wait, take a second.
You won't get this again, will it? Yeah, I've got a feeling it's this side actually.
Let me see. Well, today I prefer the other side.
Do you? Okay.
Maybe it's because my hair's straight back or
I see,
something.
I see. Oh, maybe that's it.
I don't know.
Yeah. Let that one float.
Okay.
And do that kind of kissy shot.
Kissy shot.
Yeah.
From the side.
Yeah. That's not good. I like that a lot. Hold on one sec. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. I'm rather pleased to say that I've started this shoot today.
It's true.
Yeah.
Oh, almost had a lip slip there, guys.
You can only get that on Patreon.
Only fans for
Only
me
joking.
soon.
Only joking. Like a gazillion guys out there looking for your Patreon page now. That's good. Nice. Nice. Yeah, sweet. Very good. Do you think if we give Lovely Babes a shout out for this, they might sponsor us?
Maybe. Shout out to Love You Babes for this custom corset that we've made.
random.
That would be one of the random sponsorship.
And sunglasses.
I mean, you have a plethora of outfits.
Yeah, some of them probably would get us banned from using it. That is cool. That's good. Alas, poor Yorick. Come on, guys, that was a bit of Shakespeare there.
It's lost on us, I'm afraid.
It was lost.
Wrong crowd. What about him.
That's great. Good. Beautiful.
Give him a kiss.
Oh.
It's the closest thing I'm getting to a boyfriend this Valentine's.
Oh, not after we release this.
Not after this
That's
video.
it. We're going to launch an appeal today.
CVs and cover letters.
That's right, send your
in my
details in.
DMs.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Would
Anybody
this be
who wants to be Micaela's Valentine, leave your details in the comment section below, and I will pass them on to her.
After
Serious applicants only.
Serious applicants only. Just be careful what you wish for.
You saying I'm a handful?
I'm not saying
No.
anything at all.
Beautiful.
Red or pink?
Pink always for me, but you know.
Really?
I think they suit you,
They do. In a strange kind of way.
Can't see a damn thing.
Let me get the camera, you should go. Are you camera shy, Michael?
Yeah.
Really? A man that handles cameras.
Same here.
Yeah,
I absolutely
What?
cannot avoid it.
Not when it
No.
comes with you're
I'll
an
avoid it
outlier
at all
because
costs.
Most photographers don't like being photographed. Most male.
Well, that's how I learnt to do photography. I had no one else to play with. So I just self-timer it and then jump in front
That's
of it.
difficult.
Yeah,
Very difficult.
yeah. But quite good for learning, I think. You got any Valentine's plans? You're not going to do something lovely for your wife? Or a husband?
Yes, I have.
Of course
I don't know, I haven't thought about it yet. I leave it always late. It's hard. I usually do something always very last minute. I kind of like last minute though, because it's more exciting that way, because I haven't got a clue what I'm doing until last minute.
I love that.
I don't have anything in my wardrobe, look.
Yeah.
You have a symmetrical
The
face.
smile!
No, please get rid of that.
You're so sweet.
Most disgusting thing I've ever seen in my life.
Sweet though.
No. No, I
I
hate when
love
smile like
when
that.
people smile. Like it's just cute.
I like that.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah,
I
that's
love that
cool.
you're seeing through the balloon a bit.
Mhm.
That's fun.
What man do I see in my future?
None. Exist.
This is one I'm glad I'm not young.
No coating. Nothing.
I think the internet.
No, it's like, oh babe, do you want to come over Netflix and chill? No, I don't.
Has anybody
I
actually
want
ever said
that.
that to you?
Every guy ever. That's the culture of our generation. Do you think people ask people each other, like out on dates?
Because that's how you get into a situation where you're not really dating, you're just banging.
But that's what everybody's doing these days. Yeah.
No.
That's cute.
Oh, I love that. You have such nice lips. Like, oh,
Thank
your
you.
lips so
An Albanian lady did them.
I love that one.
Is that your hand, Lauren?
Yeah.
See,
claim to
she
fame.
always wants to get Lauren.
And if you want a photo shoot, just say so.
Yeah, just say so.
Camera hungry.
So-
So you do your own makeup, you do your own hair, backdrop is there.
The hand of Lauren.
I love
Oh, I love that.
Oh, the balloon is better than a man.
Facts. Not that it takes much.
Wow,
Whoa.
too much shade.
We don't like men. We don't like men in this place.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
Okay, Michael's already got a book.
I'm quite. I'm just.
Your
glad-
wife dropped, so it's okay.
Yeah.
That's all very alien to me.
Which?
Everything you just said.
Oh,
The
yeah,
whole-
it's terrible. Puts you off dating.
I ignored that because for some reason I don't get guys who say that to me. I just super selective. So it's like
Yeah, but like so selective that I've not been interested in anyone for 4 years.
same. Like
Yeah.
I barely like. I like people once every 3 years. Like I
Yeah.
barely like people.
And if I like you, oh, I'm gonna like you.
you.
I'm gonna like you.
The last person I really liked was when I was 18. I'm 21. Like
I was 19. Yeah.
I haven't liked someone.
This is a whole other channel, isn't it?
Girl talk.
Girl talk.
Michael just like, what the hell?
I like that one.
Profile. I think if you put that on your Tinder profile and then you see who comes for you, that will be interesting.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
I feel
What does
you'll
that
get
say about me?
hundreds. Oh,
What does it
God.
say about the people who want to date you?
What do you mean?
It's almost sort of, it's like, obviously it's created by you. The picture is kind of one you've chosen, right?
Mm.
But then what does it say about the person who gets, oh, I want to date her? When they look at that picture, what sort of person will
Have you ever seen a man on Tinder? This is
No,
what they do.
honestly,
This is what they do.
I know.
Without actually
you're
looking
gonna
at the profile, like
Whereas
just
girls
like,
will study it.
like,
But you
it's
can-
like,
You're going to get somebody who goes, you're interesting.
mm.
And what sort of person is behind that? Who finds that interesting?
You're just gonna have
Maybe,
to go
that's how you select them, is it?
You're gonna have to go through a lot of frogs. Honestly, you're gonna have to go through.
Frogs, more like toads and
Yeah.
rats.
Cute, like that a lot.
Yeah, I really like these ones. Very postcard.
Mm-hmm.
They're almost like
There you go.
perfume advert.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say perfume,
That's nice.
makeup advert, aren't they?
I think one of these might end up as a thumbnail,
Yeah.
for sure. It's cute. And that one even.
That one's a bit on the verge of a stroke. Just a little bit.
Someone call ambulance.
No, this one, if I pull this face again, guys, just check I'm alright.
Can you raise your arms, both your arms capable of
Yeah,
that?
they're good.
Ooh.
God, okay, I'm giving face structure.
Yo,
Let's
you
go.
can kind of see your cheekbones, your jaw, all coming together.
Okay. They're all there.
I'm always anxious about getting my teeth out in shoots for some reason. Turns out I'm not going to be alone this Valentine's Day.
You've got Mr.
It's just like Castaway.
Got another airhead Wilson.
Castaway.
Castaway.
Yeah.
Wilson. It's
Yeah.
the ball, isn't it?
That's it?
Yep.
Yeah. We're liking those.
Yeah, we are.
There's not a lot to explain, is there? There's just the actual spirit and the vibe, which is translated through the colours and the shapes you were pulling, and a few little judicious props.
Yeah.
Yeah, shout out to Lovey Babes again. Hashtag sponsor us.
Yeah, please do, guys.
Anybody?
Anyone sponsor us? Yeah.
Please.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a lovely Valentine's or Galentine's
Yeah,
Day.
or
Or
Palentine's.
Palentine's Day. We just invented that. Who invented that? Was that
Lauren, shout out to Lauren.
Palentine's Day for all your pals. Get it?